you will have a situation where you will have deficiency of courage, or you will not be having your courageous behavior. You will soon be feeling coward. Your footsteps feel from granite to grass. You will be going there in a valley where you will have the stony path, you will have the hardships, you will have the grassy places. You are moving from the soft area or the comfortable zone to a very hard situation. Oh, what was the bird? Said horror to hearer. अभी भी horror to hearer, horror खौफ खाने वाला, to hearer सुनने वाले को, जिसको खौफ है, जो बहुत ज़्यादा ओवर कॉन्शियस है, वो उसको अभी भी डरा रहा है और कहता है, oh what was that bird? क्या तुमने वो परिंदा देखा? Did you see that shape in the twisted trees? क्या तुमने वो शक्ल देखी ट्विस्टेड ट्रीज के अंदर? मीन्स द ट्रीज आर टैंगल्ड, द ब्रांचेस ऑफ ट्रीज आर intervened with each other. There are thick trees, their branches are thick, and in those thick branches there are horrible shapes. Behind you swiftly the figure comes softly, and you will feel and you will see that a horrible figure will chase you up, and then he is making to feel that there is a spot on his skin. Soon that spot on his skin will be turned into dangerous disease. ये सब क्या है? खौफ की बातें हैं. जब भी हम किसी इंसान को करेजियस पाते हैं तो हमें डराने वाले भी बहुत सारे आ जाते हैं. हर तरह से डराया जाता है. रिस्क लेने से मना किया जाता है कि रिस्क नहीं लेना. हालांकि जो बहादुर लोग होते हैं वो रिस्क लेते हैं, वो मुकाबला करते हैं, वो हालात का मुकाबला करते हैं, वो वाक़यात का मुकाबला करते हैं और आगे बढ़ते हैं. आउट ऑफ दिस हाउस, इस घर से, सेड राइडर टू रीडर, योर्स विल नेवर कम, सेड फेयरर टू फेयरर, दे आर लुकिंग फॉर यू, सेड हियरर टू हॉरर, एज ही लेफ्ट दैम देयर, एज ही लेफ्ट दैम देयर. आउट ऑफ दिस हाउस, सेड राइडर टू रीडर. अब राइडर क्या कहते हैं? राइडर द करेजियस मैन. ही टेल्स हिम दैट यू विल नॉट बी कमिंग आउट ऑफ दिस हाउस. विच हाउस? हाउस विच इज़ फुल ऑफ हॉरर. वो तुम्हारी दिमागी हालत जिसमें तुम खौफ खाए बैठे हो, जिसमें तुम खौफ महसूस कर रहे हो. यू विल नॉट बी कमिंग आउट द प्लेस which is having great horror, and it is your state of mind, and you won't be coming out of it. Yours never will. तुम कभी भी नहीं आ सकोगे. Said fearer to fearer. Fearer बहादुर, courageous, bold, the one who was moving on the journey. He said to the fearer, the coward one, the person who was afraid of the situations. He was telling him, the courageous one was telling him that you won't be coming out that house. That house means that state of mind. They are looking for you. वो तुम्हें ढूंढ रहे हैं, वो तुम्हें देख रहे हैं. Said hearer to horror. सुनने वाले ने, जिसने अभी तक इतनी बातें सुनी थी, उसने खौफज़दा करने वाले को कहा कि वो ये सब चीज़ें तुम्हें तलाश कर रही हैं, मुझे नहीं. As he left them there, as he left them there, and finally क्या किया उसने? He continued his journey. He left everything, or every notion, or every talk of coward feelings. He left that there, and he continued his journey. So message is very fine out of it, that we should not be afraid of the situations. We should not be afraid of the difficult and hard times. These times come upon the people, but they vanish with the perseverance of the person, with the courageous behavior, with the boldness, and with the positivity of the mind of the person. These end up. Thank you very much. Have a nice time.